Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is capture. It's a B2 level verb meaning catch or take control. So, what does capture really mean? In essence, it signifies gaining possession or control of something, often by force or skill. It can apply to physical objects, abstract concepts, or even emotions. We use it in everyday language to describe actions like seizing a criminal, recording a moment, or even captivating an audience. Let's delve deeper. What are some synonyms for capture? Well, consider these: seize, apprehend, and secure. Each carries a slightly different nuance. For example, the police seized the stolen goods. Here, seized implies taking possession forcefully. The police apprehended the suspect after a brief chase, suggests catching someone who is trying to escape. The company secured a major contract, highlights obtaining something through effort and negotiation. Notice how each synonym fits a specific context. Now, let's flip the coin and explore antonyms. What words express the opposite of capture? Think about words like release, free, and liberate. Again, each has a distinct flavor. The judge ordered the release of the prisoner, indicates setting someone free from confinement. The activists fought to free the political prisoners, suggests liberating someone from oppression. The army liberated the occupied territory, emphasizes freeing a place from enemy control. Can you see how the choice of antonym depends on the situation? So, how can we use capture in everyday life? Well, you might say, I want to capture this beautiful sunset with my camera, meaning you want to record or preserve the image. Or, you might hear someone say, the movie captured my attention from the very beginning, indicating the film captivated or engrossed them. You could even say, the spy tried to capture the secret documents, demonstrating an attempt to seize something confidential. Here are some more usage examples. The photographer managed to capture the perfect moment. The software helps businesses capture valuable data. The general planned to capture the enemy's stronghold. The artist sought to capture the essence of nature in her paintings. The company aims to capture a larger share of the market. We need to capture all customer feedback in order to improve our product. The athlete hopes to capture the gold medal at the Olympics. The journalist tried to capture the truth of the story. The museum captured a priceless artifact from the lost city. The organization worked to capture and rehabilitate injured wildlife. So, to recap, capture is a B2 level verb meaning to catch or take control. We explored synonyms like seize, apprehend, and secure, and antonyms like release, free, and liberate. We also looked at various ways to use capture in everyday conversations and common expressions. I hope you found this exploration of the word capture insightful. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Before you go, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new English words. Now, I have a little challenge for you. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word capture and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what creative examples you come up with.